I am going fishing. I am going fishing. Yes, I still have to look for some earthworms. I am going fishing. I'm so excited. Look, I am ready. Just if it is cold, I'm ready. Do you like going fishing? Yes, it's fun. Listen, today we are going to learn a new sound. And I have to tell you a story. The story of Natty. Natty went to her grandparents' house and she was bored there. She didn't know what to do. She didn't want to watch TV. So she said, Grandpa, can we do something fun? And Grandpa said, Oh, would you like to go fishing? Yes, said Natty. And she said, Oh, I'm so excited, I'm going fishing. But Grandpa said, Listen, if you come with me fishing, you have to be silent, because if you make noise, the fish go away. Did you know that? When we go fishing, we have to be silent. If not, the fish go away. So Natty said, Yes, Grandpa, I'll be very quiet. So Natty went there with Grandpa, and Grandpa took the fishing rod like this, and he was in silence because he was trying to catch a fish. And Natty was so excited, but she knew she had to be silent. So she started, Fish, I want some fish. Fish, I want some fish. And Grandpa says, Shh, Natty, I told you to be quiet. Oh, sorry, Grandpa, sorry, said Natty. I'll be quiet, I promise. So Grandpa took the fishing rod again and he threw it. And Natty was sitting there looking to see if Grandpa could get a fish. And she started, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go away. And Grandpa got very crazy. He said, Natty, told you to be quiet. Oh, I'm sorry, Grandpa, said Natty. I promise I'll be quiet next time. So Grandpa took the fishing rod again and threw the line. Natty knew she had to be quiet, but she was so excited. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught that fish alive, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go away. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger. And Grandpa got mad. Natty, told you to be silent. Sorry, Grandpa, I forgot, she said. No more noise, said Grandpa for the last time. He got ready. And he saw that a fish was coming. He was going to catch a fish. Everybody was in silence. It was very quiet. And all of a sudden, a plane came making a lot of noise. And Grandpa got crazy and started shouting at the plane, Stop that nasty noise! And Natty started laughing, Grandpa, the plane cannot hear you! And they started laughing. Of course, you cannot shout at a plane. No, never. Okay, did you like the story? This story has a lot of words with n, like the nasty noise of the plane. N. And you know, there is a song that says something like this. Hear the airplane, hear the airplane, hear the airplane, making lots of noise. Do you want to sing it with me? Come on. Hear the airplane, hear the airplane, hear the airplane, making lots of noise. Oh, is a very nice sound. Look, here we have the big the for names. How can we draw the big n? Big n is a tall letter. So we start at the top and we go down, up again, down and up. The big N and the little n go on the line. The little n, the sound n for nasty and noise, is a short letter. It goes and a little tail at the end. Let's see some words that begin with N. We have natty. Can you see that the big N is a tall letter, as tall as sound T? Natty. Then we have number 9, which has two sounds. N. 9. Night. Be careful that N, the sound N, is a short letter. If you make this line longer, it becomes letter H, and that is a complete different sound. Night. Now. And of course, nasty noise. Okay, did you like the story and the song? Now we can make a plane, a paper plane. There are different kinds of paper planes you can make. To practice sound. Why don't you make a paper plane and you send me a picture? Come on, the color you want. There are a lot of paper planes you can search on the internet to see how we make a very creative paper plane. And we practice sound P as well. Paper plane. And the sound